All right. Is this recording? Hi everyone. Welcome to Cooking with CIS. Today we're gonna make something really special, and I'm gonna introduce our special guest, Sam.
Hello.
Bravo to you.
Bravo to me.
Do you wanna tell the audience what we're making today?
Yes, today we are making...
Oh wait, where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
You're from the UK.
I'm from England. If you can't tell, it's fine. And today we are making a dish that is close to the hearts of millions of British people, and that would be Yorkshire puddings.
Yorkshire pudding. There we go.
Yes, Yorkshire puddings. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna go so bad. No, I'm kidding. It's gonna be great. We're not gonna burn down the accommodation. And then what we are going to do is we're going to stick this in the oven, make sure it gets really hot, according to my mum. Make sure it's really hot, we're not going to touch it, and then we're going to mix everything, wait for 20 minutes, and then put everything in the oven and hope that it works. I don't know how much oil to add.
I don't either. We both don't cook, just so you know, for the reference of this video. But that is, she's pouring in oil.
I feel like that's... I can't see it.
That's a lot of oil, Sam.
It's not that much. It's to an American standard.
Don't worry, I barely even cook, so.
That'll be fine. Okay, so this now goes in the oven. Do we have something to take stuff out of the oven, by the way?
Like a mitten?
Yeah.
We'll figure something out.
We'll figure it out. Okay, so assuming that this is preheated now, I'm going to put this in.
Perfect.
Oh, that's hot. Okay. Don't forget to wash your hands, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, do not forget to wash your hands. So there goes, how many cups?
Uno. That was half a
cup of all-purpose flour.
And then we want half a half.
Yep. So that way it makes.
But to be fair, I feel like it's gonna be fine.
Third.
Yeah. Would also like to say this is pre-sieved.
Right. So when you buy the flour,
yeah, this is pre-sieved.
Yep.
Otherwise
you would have to.
Yeah. Otherwise you'd have a sieve like so.
There you go.
But it's already been sieved, so it's fine.
Perfect.
That, and I'm lazy. We're going to stir. This is cast clear milk.
So do you usually just eyeball how much milk?
Basically, yeah.
Okay.
Because
what kind of consistency are we looking for?
We're looking for like, how do I describe
cake?
this? Kind of like a, yeah, kind of. So like say like a pancake kind of consistency. So this is really lumpy at the minute, so we don't want that.
Okay. While she's whisking it, we have a funny story to share, right, Sam? I mean, I have a funny story, not
yes,
her, but
I was present.
She was present.
I was present in the moment.
She was. So, given that you have not had Yorkshire pudding, and if someone tell you, hey, you want to try Yorkshire pudding, what came into your mind? Like the first thing, would you think it's a savory dish or a dessert? Tell me in the comments. Dessert. I full on thought it was a dessert. I Google searched the images and they full on looks like a Dutch pancake, so I thought it was a dessert. Until we went to Target to get our ingredients. She's gonna show you guys. She got gravy packets. I was like, oh.
However, this is not the type of gravy we would use, but it's the closest.
Right. And I was like, oh, and we even need
herbs.
Italian seasoning, like Italian seasoning. There we go. So I thought it was weird to have gravy on a dessert, and then it turns out it's not.
Nope.
Yeah. So what is Yorkshire pudding actually in the UK like? On what occasion do you eat Yorkshire pudding?
So Yorkshire puddings you can have on your Christmas dinner, but then we also do like Sunday dinners, which is basically a Christmas dinner, but we have it like every Sunday. Well, not every Sunday, depends on how you're feeling and how lazy
Like
you
if you're
feel.
fancy, you would do it?
No, like I feel like everyone like has like a Sunday dinner, but like it takes like effort.
Right. So would you consider this as like a British comfort meal?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Most definitely.
There you go.
You don't just have them on Christmas dinner and like on a Sunday, but you
right.
can have them with like we do like other things as well. So like toad in the hole, which is basically like a huge version, like about this big, like the size of your face.
Wow.
And then like with
You have things in it?
yeah, we put like mashed potato in it. That's what it's called. Mashed potato and like sausages and gravy, and like it's just very like it's very nice.
There you go. Don't make the same mistake as me. It's not a pudding. Don't go to England and thinking of ordering that as a dessert.
Yeah. However, people do actually put like jam and Nutella in, so I've got some jam and Nutella in my pocket in case the weeders want to try it.
Look at that.
But
She
it's
knows.
fine.
She
I
knows
already
what's
know.
up.
I'm on the ball. Okay.
Back to whisking.
Back to whiskey. I might put a tiny bit of flour in.
Okay. So whatever measurement we give you, honestly, just wing it.
Just wing it.
Yep.
Like you kind of want like this kind of. Honestly, guys, I don't know because. And then you want to whisk it loads until there's like bubbles.
There you go. Do you add salt at this point?
Yeah, you can add salt and your herbs and everything at this point. Just want to make sure it's all thingy.
Okay. Perfect. Just a little bit. Maybe a tablespoon. 2, 3.
I don't even know if that's a tablespoon.
I don't cook. I don't know.
I just know what it looks like afterwards.
There you
And
go.
That's about right.
Yep. That kind of looks like a few shakes.
A few shakes. A few shakes.
A few shakes of
herbs.
Italian
You
seasoning.
can't have enough.
There you go. That's how you put salt in. There you go. A
Pinch of salt.
a pinch of salt. There you go. Yeah. Now we have an actual
Actual
towel. So in case you didn't know, we put this in for quite a bit a while ago. Make sure it's burning hot because that's the whole point of the pudding, right?
It's supposed to boil.
It was supposed to boil, yes.
Now we are going to add our mix.
Our mix. Oh, is it gonna sizzle? Yeah.
And now we're going to put it back in.
Look at that, it's already puffing.
I know.
Wow. Okay, now back into the oven.
Yep.
By the way, the oven is at 550 Fahrenheit,
Yeah,
right?
and we're now going to decrease that.
Yeah. Before it
to
burns.
450, no, 450 I think.
450 for how long?
For 20 minutes.
So just kidding. We're gonna lower it down actually to
375.
375 for about 20 minutes. Do not
touch the oven.
Do not open
No,
the oven.
Otherwise it will fall.
There
You
you
have flat pancakes.
And you don't want that.
And they're not even pancakes, the Yorkshire puddings, so they're not supposed to be.
Okay.
Okay guys, so Yorkshire pudding has been in for about 25 minutes now. It
Ish,
just
yeah.
depends on like whatever.
Okay.
So I'm going to turn off the oven, I think. Is that the right button? I think that's the right button.
No idea, but
We'll find
yeah.
out.
Oh, look at the smoke. You
Oh
can
my
see
God.
it, but it's all over here.
my
Wow.
That is, guys, we've done good.
That is beautiful. All right,
Yes.
Sam's gonna try
It's
to
like, it looks
take
like
it out.
cake.
That's why I say it looks like a Dutch pancake. You know what I mean? Ooh, look at
Guys, we've done
this
so good.
beauty,
I'm actually
guys.
impressed with myself. Like,
You should be proud.
Yeah.
This is our first time doing it.
yeah. So we are now making our gravy to go with our
There
Yorkshire
you go. Just use the packet. Boiling water in.
Yeah, so guys, when you make your Yorkshire puddings, or you want to make like a Sunday dinner to go with your Yorkshire puddings, which I would highly recommend, you want to put them in last so that you don't have to open the oven. Because if you open the oven, then they're gonna like sink. So do this last, and then gravy can come in last as well. Now we have our gravy. Yes, it is a little lumpy for any UK person that's watching me out there. I can make gravy, however.
We shall taste test.
Yeah. So it's like quite cute. I don't know how to.
Yeah.
I mean, it smells like
Yeah,
Yorkshire.
it smells really good. Like
that's
to
good.
describe, it smells like omelette.
Yeah.
For you guys who can smell. Ready?
Are you ready?
Taste test.
That's pretty good.
There you go.
Okay.
I want to try it too. First time trying.
We will talk.
It really smells like omelette.
Yeah, I'm
So,
gonna take a bit of bite too.
Yeah. Cheers. So we cheers it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. So good.
Let the gravy a little salty, but
It's alright. We can. So if you guys have had like the warm Brazilian cheese bread, it actually tastes like that.
minus the cheesy.
Minus the cheesy, there you go.
Okay, so while cooking, you make stupid mistakes. I make a lot of stupid mistakes, and
But it's alright.
you'll find that out of time. So we're just transferring it into the big mixing bowl because putting it in this was a bad idea.
Right, because we just never think. But it's alright.
But it's okay. So we don't, currently using my bag because we don't realize how the towel and everything. So
So,
I'm just gonna.
so yeah, kids, don't do that at home, okay? Make sure you have a mitten.
This is a third, and this is a half.
Now we're doing the math on how much.
I
I
one
mean,
of these.
I think a half plus a third is 3/4. Wait, am I right? Yeah, wait.
Kai, no.
No, that would be
Like,
full, right?
This is, so I need half of this. I need 1.5 of these. But it's gonna be fine.
Right.
We're just gonna
We're just gonna wing it. We're gonna make wing it pudding today.
wing it.